Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So let's continue with our Python interview series preparation. So today we have a very basic question which is related to the duplicate elements in an array or strings. And these questions are very common for when you are sitting for any kind of interview based on data analyst, business analyst, or for the Python developer roles. All right, let's understand the question first. So the question basically says we need to find the sum of all the distant duplicate numbers in an array. Okay, this question might seem a bit tricky one, but we need to first simplify the question. I will be simplifying with the given input first. Okay, so let's give it a text. Then we will be given an array, and let's say inside the array we are keeping the elements as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, let's say 4 comma 5 comma, I think we got mistake, 6 comma 7 comma 2 comma 3 comma 8 comma 8. All right, and the output should be is equal to, now the output should be what are the duplicate elements that are present. Let's say what are the duplicate elements. So 1 is occurring once, 2 is occurring twice, so it should be 2, and 3 is also occurring twice, so 3 we will consider, and 8 is occurring twice. So 2, 3 and 8 are the duplicate elements, and we need to find the sum of these three elements, not the whole the duplicate elements. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13. So this is what the output will look like. We need to find the distant duplicate numbers in an array and the sum. All right, so let's write the coding for it. Okay, let's create a function first, def. Let's give a proper function name as sum of duplicates, and inside this let's pass the array, and here let's write the logic. Okay, so let's first create a variable called duplicates and set it as set function. So what does this set function does? It store to duplicate elements. It is used to store the duplicate elements. Inside the duplicates, we will store the duplicate elements. Now we will use another function, that is scene is equal to set another one, and this one we will use to track the elements that we have already checked. To track the elements, sorry for the mistake guys, that have already checked. Okay, now let's run a loop for num in arr. If that particular number is already present in scene, then we will do what? We will just add this particular number in duplicate. So duplicates dot add of that particular number. Okay, so here let's write the comment section that add to duplicates. I need to write the for the comment section so that it will be easy for you to understand. If seen before, else what we need to write, else scene dot add of that particular number. And here we're writing add to scene if encountering for the first time. All right, so now we need to return the sum of all the duplicates. That is, it actually gives the sum of distant duplicates. Perfect. Okay, so now let's write the driver code. ARR is equal to, I think we can just copy it from here only, and based on the input, we should be expecting the output. Let's give a result as a result, and we will be calling the function is equal to sum of this one. Since we have defined the function first, we need to call the function also. And here, now let's print it. Print sum of distant elements, sum of distant duplicate elements is the result. Okay, I think we're getting some error here, so let's see what exactly the error we are getting. It is saying unexpected indentation. Okay, we missed something. Yeah, I think we have missed something. Yeah. All right, then now let's run the code. So yeah, sum of distant elements is 13, the expected output. Now let's modify the code, or let's add some elements in the array. And here let's add 9 comma 10 comma 9. So this 9 is also a duplicate element, so 9 should be added to 13. So 13 plus 9 is what? 22 we should get. Let's run the code to get. Okay, so we are getting the 22. So yeah, this is how you can actually solve this question. Not at all a difficult question. This question actually tests your for loop, that is the conditional statement, and the skills that needed to know in which case you need to use set operator and all. And these type of questions are quite basically asked in interviews, because these are the first questions that you will be facing when you're going for the first round of interviews in any of the companies, be it product based or service based or business based companies. So make sure to practice these kind of questions, and for these questions to practice, I will come up with more such videos in the near future. Till then, subscribe the channel and keep loving, keep coding, guys, and share this channel with your friends, guys. Thank you, guys.